Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel techno-geek, the technology geek. Today we are going to see how to install the kubectl binary which is used for the Kubernetes cluster management on Windows machine. We will see how to install that binary on the Windows machine. So this is my Windows machine and I don't have this kubectl binary installed yet. So we'll see how to install it today. So for that purpose, you have to open your browser and type install kubectl on Windows, and then you click on the first link which opens. So we'll be using the easiest way to install the binary. There are several other ways given here. Using the curl command, you can also download the binary and install it, but most of the Windows distribution won't have this curl command installed. So what we'll be using is this option number one here. So there is one direct download link given for the kubectl 1.27.3. So just click on it. So it will download the kubectl.exe file for us. So once the download completes, you will go to downloads and you will see this kubectl binary is placed over here. So after downloading the binary, you have to put this binary path into your environment's path variable. But before that, let's collect all our binaries and application under one folder so that it will be easy to manage them. So for that purpose, I'll be creating a new folder here in under my C drive and name it as apps, and I'll be putting this kubectl binary or any other application that I'll be installed. I'll be putting that here. So then once you put the kubectl binary here, you have to copy this path. You will just click on this bar and copy the path, and under here search bar just type environments. You will see first option edit system environment variables. You have to click on that. Then one window will pop up. So on this window you have to click on environment variables, and you will see one path environment variable under the user variables here. Just double click on this path environment variable and click on new. Paste the path which we copied with the paste the path which you copied from earlier step and click on OK. You will also add this path under the system variables as well. So click on the path on the system variables, then click on new, paste the path, click on OK, click on OK, click on OK. So now we have added the kubectl binary path on our system environment variables. So we should be able to use the kubectl binary now, but you have to try this on the fresh terminal, fresh CMD prompt, because the old CMD prompt won't be having your changes. So I am just closing this CMD prompt and opening it again. Now if I type kubectl, I should be getting the kubectl command options to use if my installation is correct. See, I have got the expected response. That means my kubectl binary is installed correctly. So this is the simplest way that you can use to install the kubectl binary on Windows. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please do subscribe and do like my channel.